Today is April 27. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. I won't be at home, but I want to check how my month end up. Unfortunately, it wasn't like expected. I made some plans that I didn't follow. So at this day on my Instagram, I made a plan. I would say that I will only trade good setups, the prices of the stocks, and I don't even remember what my plan was. But I started okay. I just remember I started with 5K, and I said I will reset it if I go red. So in the first week I went red huge. I lost the half of the account. So I reset it to 15,000 from this day, from the Friday. So this day when I got in CETC, is this is stock that got halted for the whole month and is still halted. So I started from here again slow. This week I was so scared. I was definitely scared because I didn't know how to manage all these losses. But I was starting going big. This this stock AAOI was giving me good trades, but also giving me uh, bad losses. So these 2 days here I got pretty good profits, but this day I just gave all away. Then I got again some profits. These big losses are because I was taking huge huge sizes. I'm sorry, and it's pretty hard for me to go small because the stocks doesn't move, and my commissions are so high that I don't want the stock to move $40 when I'm gonna pay $40 for the trades, wasting my time. So this that trader is simulating the fees on short trader. And alright, so this day I was totally disappointed. I didn't want to trade. I got them on my desk. I just didn't want to do anything. I wanted to give up that day. So I started slow. I got good profits yesterday. Oh, these 2 days here. This is today. This is yesterday. I was red huge. I think yesterday I was red 600, and today I was red 3,400. I was just in one stack that I was chasing, which this one here that ended up rolling pretty good. It was a huge opportunity because the stack is low price. It moves. You see there's not big spread. There's not too much risk. You can go full size in it, but you have to manage it well. And I was chasing it. So in my first trade, I couldn't make like $3,000, but I just make like 400. I started to chase and I lost like 4,000. Then I got in again and I made back like, let's say like, I'm not sure, like 3,600 I made back. But I couldn't hold it because I was scared of what was gonna happen, how my day was going to end. So I covered here on those two triangles and the thing started rolling over. So it was bad. So today was the worst day I had, and I'm gonna stop today. So commissions I paid 2,535. How do I know this? Because I was rolling down here the realized gains, which was 3,400, and I was going with the commissions in here. So my average daily was $50 per day. My return 6%, and you can see all this here: 9 win days, 7 loss days. My days when I win, this is the formula. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave that box there. I probably will remove it I don't really need it. So some commentary here, and my goal was 2000. I didn't reach it because I got stubborn in all of the days. All days I got stubborn. So that's my recap, and let me see what else can I show you. I just feel bad for today because I really could have made a lot of paper money, which for me is a success. I don't care if it's fake, it's a success for me if I can grow this fake account. But I couldn't do it. Just imagine if this trade would have ended up well, I will make 3,000 here. I would have wait to the VWAP. I know when the thing is not going to the VWAP, it almost always works. So I could have get short, or I will add to another position over here, and then I will hold like I did. Then here I will follow my plan and cover half of my position, maybe 12.20. I was supposed to do that. I didn't do it, and just hold the rest to the end of the day. And I wouldn't make like, I don't know, 8,000 bucks maybe. Well, so I trade with emotions every single day of the week. That's why I'm end up like this. So I'm a risk trader, I guess. I like to risk. I'm not sure how would I react of this decision with real money. That's why I don't want to go to the market with money, like borrow money of maybe if I have debt. I don't want to go there, and that affects my decisions. I want to be clear that I have $15,000 that I'm gonna trade, and I had to be willing to risk it like I did on this month. So next month I will trade probably on July. Paper trader. I'm not rushing it. I don't want to rush it. I can get screwed up if I rush this. So I'm pretty disappointed. I felt like there was some opportunities on the month that I just screwed up, and I take a lot of trades that I should not take. So I got proof on my Instagram. You can go check his Reno stocks, Reno trader. You can look up. I got proof of every day I upload the image. I also had the folder somewhere, but I had the folder of the image just to remind myself what I did. So that is all I wanted to say, and let's see what happens next month.